Before you buy Uniqode, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know. Many users jump in without understanding the full picture, and by the end of this video, you'll be much more informed about whether this software really fits your needs or if it falls short compared to its competitors. Stick around till the end. There's something exclusive I'll be sharing that could make your decision much easier. First off, Uniqode is marketed as an all-in-one solution, but does it really deliver on all its promises? It's designed for people looking for a platform to streamline workflows, manage data, and automate processes. But when compared to competitors like Zapier or Integromat, you'll want to understand its unique value proposition before committing. Uniqode offers a streamlined interface, but can it handle complex integrations the way others do? That's one thing you'll want to evaluate. Next, consider Unicode's ease of use. For newcomers, this is a big deal. Unlike platforms like Monday.com or Trello, which can overwhelm you with a range of options, Uniqode keeps things relatively simple. But simplicity can come at a cost. While some users might appreciate this straightforwardness, if you're looking for deep customizations or advanced features from the get-go, you may feel limited. However, for businesses that don't require intricate processes, this could actually be a pro. The third thing is pricing. Uniqode offers a competitive pricing model, but it's crucial to compare it with other tools that provide similar services. Some competitors may have hidden fees for integrations or extra features, whereas Uniqode is upfront about its pricing and offers some decent flexibility. That said, there are times when its competitors might offer more for the same price, so you'll want to take a close look at the specific features you need. Another thing to note is its support. Now, customer support can make or break a decision when choosing software, and this is where Uniqode shines in certain areas. They have a reputation for responsive support, but just like with any software, there are mixed experiences. Compared to other tools, it might not be as quick as some of the bigger players, but it's definitely above average. If you're the type who values immediate help, this is something to keep in mind. Now let's talk about integrations. If you're coming from something like Zapier or Salesforce, you'll want to check if Uniqode connects seamlessly with the tools you already use. While Uniqode supports several popular integrations, it's not as expansive as others like Zapier, which may have more out-of-the-box connectors. However, for most small to medium businesses, the integrations it does offer should cover the essentials. If you need something very niche, though, it might fall short. Then there's the automation feature. Uniqode claims to automate tasks with ease, but how effective is it? In comparison to a platform like Integromat, which offers robust automation features, Uniqode can handle a decent range of automation, but may lack the fine-tuned control you get with more specialized tools. If you rely heavily on complex workflows, you might find it slightly limiting, but for most day-to-day operations, it gets the job done. Finally, something you should be aware of is the learning curve. Unicode's platform is designed to be user-friendly, but depending on your experience with similar tools, it could take a bit to get up to speed. The user interface is clean, but there's still a certain learning curve to get the most out of the platform. If you're someone who's never used automation software before, it might take a bit longer to become fully comfortable. But once you're familiar, the simplicity will be a big plus. To wrap this up, if you're interested in trying Uniqode for yourself, I've got a special offer for you. Click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Uniqode could be exactly what you need, or it might not be. Either way, you'll want to know these things before you buy.